Do you feel like your business is just another drop in the ocean? Struggling to stand out in today's noisy marketplace? Imagine turning your small voice into roar that reaches millions. Digital marketing is not just a buzzword, it's the lifeline of your business needs to thrive. In this video, we'll break down how digital market affects your business, tackle common challenges, and give you actionable strategies to implement today. Let's get started. You must be having this question: what is digital marketing and why does it matter? Digital marketing is any form of marketing that exists online. Think about website, social media platform, emails, and even ads that pop up while you scroll. Why is that important? Because that's where your customers are. Did you know 81% of people research a business online before making a purchase? If your business isn't online or isn't visible, you're leaving money on the table. Drop the comment below. How do you currently promote your business? Is it working? Let's brainstorm together. Let me paint you a picture. Let's consider this person named Sarah. She runs a small bakery and relies solely on walk ins. Across the town, there is John, who also owns a bakery but leverages Instagram ads, an optimized website, and a Google review. Guess who's doubling their revenue? Obviously, John. Have you seen a competitor thrive online? What strategies caught your eye? Share below in the comment and we can discuss on this. I get it. Digital marketing can feel overwhelming. Here are top challenges most business owners face. Number one, budget constraint. You think digital marketing is expensive, but not marketing is more costly. Next is lack of time. Running a business is time consuming. Who has hours to spend on content creation, right? So that's where we lack a lot of potential to grow our business. Next is unclear return on investment. What's the point if you can't measure your success, right? So think about it and think about how you can define your ROI strategies that can build a stronger business process and your growth. Next is rapid tech changes, algorithm changes. Trust me, this is something very important for you to understand. Algorithm changes, tool evolves. How do you keep up? You have to invest time in understanding these trends and techniques which are continuously evolving in this digital world. Which of these challenges resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comment and we can discuss on this more. Let's tackle these challenges head on with simple, actionable strategies. Number one, set clear goals. Want to boost sales by 20%? Let's create a roadmap. Leverage free tools. Tools like Canva for design, Buffer or Publer for scheduling, and Google Analytics for tracking analytics are lifesavers. Repurpose content. A single blog can be turned into posts, tweets, and videos. Think about how you can leverage one piece of content into three different or four different formats. Outsource wisely. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you find affordable experts that can help you build your presence in the market. Leverage their expertise to grow in your niche and get that visibility. Next is stay updated. Follow industry blogs and YouTube channel like this one of mine where I'm talking about digital and everything about how you can grow your business on digital plan. What's your biggest struggle with implementing these strategies? Let's troubleshoot together and let me know in the comment what kind of challenges you've gone through while implementing anything digital in your business. I've received lots of questions, so let's address some of the burning questions I often get. Number one is, how much should I budget for digital marketing? Start small. 5 to 10% of your revenue is a good benchmark. And if you're starting afresh, think about how much you can spend slowly to make sure that you build your presence in the market. Start slowly, but at least start right now. The next question I usually get is, do I need to be on all the platform? No. Pick 2 or 3 platform where your audiences hang out the most. Research about where your audience is spending more time online. Could it be LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube? Think about it. Next question is, how soon will I see the results? Organic strategies takes time. But if you want to run ads, that can give you results faster and you can get your visibility higher when you run ads versus if you want to grow organically. Got more questions? Drop them below and I'll answer them in the future video. Here are some other examples. Rajesh, a fitness coach, had just 200 followers on Instagram. With consistent posting and engagement strategies, he now has over 10,000 followers and tripled his client base in under a year. The best part here is he started with zero ad spend. So, what did we learn from this story? Consistency. If you plan your content consistently and engage with your customers, answer your question, give them what they want, I'm sure you will see your social media presence growing faster. So let's talk about what's the one step you can take today. One step you can take today is start by optimizing your online presence. Update your social media profiles, claim your Google business listing, and engage with your audiences. These small steps can lead to big results. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs this advice. Remember, digital marketing isn't just a tool, it's a key to unlocking your business full potential. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.